ko na kasi.
Sa server daw call.
Hello?
Oh, now I can hear her.
Hindi mo kong gimute.
Sorry. I had to mute you, then unmute you in order to hear you.
Wow. Basig bug.
I probably was.
Kira.
Dali na.
Oh my god, my game crashed. What are we playing?
Horror.
The truth and the-
Oh, the truth untold.
Is it weird? Naglag ang bacon. Tanaw mo.
Ala.
Sa kung screen kay natuwad ang bacon.
Jay, ba offline para sa kuha pero nasa online na section.
Join eh. Di man siya on...
Nakaga-online sa kuha.
Ha?
Kung account mawaka online pero ikay kinakakuan. Sunod ramong Christian sa lista sa kong friends ba?
Nya.
Mawaka online.
Sige kong bag sa imo ha.
Yeah, no.
Basta ikaw, Jay. Either ma-stuck si Kiro or
Uy,
mo lag.
nakapastock ni Kira niya. Di siya kadugog na ko. Nagabag ko siyang Roblox. Bro.
Wow.
Sisa na ko ni mo, Kira.
Don't know. Ask my phone.
Ano say prologue?
I don't know.
Prologue. Chapter 1. Prologue?
Naay prologue din eh.
Tawag ka na.
Hinay kayo kong lakaw.
Kinaunan sa story ba?
Okay, sige, let's do this first.
Introduction na ba?
Oh, introduction?
Kanta, chapter man, din ba?
Oh,
Basic.
where did you guys
Maka,
go?
good luck.
Was it left?
Go.
Left or right?
Hammer.
Other day left.
Left to the right.
I feel like I played this already.
Ano, ingon siya hi, mafe. Ingon gug hi, mafe. Na, hi, GTK.
More.
Nakakisig go whisper.
Oh.
Uy, nice whisper.
Sino yung
I already
sigbis?
solo this. That's probably the game.
Ako volume sa
Pero
game
nalagi
film.
tao sa mong likod.
Hmm? Him the pumpkin-headed guy.
Oo, din eh.
Uh-oh.
There you go.
Mining
this way.
away. What's that? Nalagi ito yung
Where
open.
did he go?
Yung nagtuyok-tuyok raman mo.
Yan eh, siya din eh.
Where did he go?
Ew. Gone.
The thing is, oh, I found a key.
Ano, siya din eh, oh.
Amo, din nato yung open ganina na door.
The house. I found a key too. Char, di makuha.
This key.
Siya din eh.
Just something.
Yeah, that's so big scary.
Whoa.
We ain't doing anything.
What's that? Ay!
I already saw.
Ang!
Jay.
Cut my face.
Kuya,
Take it off. All that.
Bro.
Wala ko na kuya. Naaramon ko skilled yan. Naara ni appear.
Awa akong talag ka, Diyos.
It was outside, so I just saw it.
Bitaw. May gani, di siya like
It's
sa
appearing
screen
and then
tanan, no?
That's it.
Kaya like jump scare na like sa screen, jud ba?
Here, naka sa mobile, di ba?
Yeah.
Oh, niya, gakol ka sa laptop.
Yes. It will lag if I do it in one device.
Wagon na sa daron. Let's explore this area.
Agon po ko ni Jayron.
Gago na to.
Should there. Mukwit gini akong game niyo sa...
Patay. Have it where they explored this area? If you guys find something,
Laugh of the devil.
Never seen Kira mad.
kuan kay na
I
si
found a
Musuko.
house key.
Scary kay na Musuko si Kira J. You don't even wanna try it.
I don't even think you saw me mad yet.
No. Kato din nasuko ka na ko sa ML. Giingnan ko ng butalo how many times.
Ma, you know how simple it is to be delusional now. If only you can hit people.
Butalo.
Yeah.
Found
Si
a
Nicolay sa
hand.
mo apil sa yung butalo no natakdan.
Si butalo.
Nakira ay.
Kung may naman itong butalo kay bulalo.
Bulalo.
Pagkaon.
Nasamok kay na si Kira basta masuko. Sipok.
Don't think I was mad there. I think that was just pure annoyance.
That's still the same thing. Ang una sa kuan 5 stages of grief
From the
kay annoyance.